guys, this is Prani Rena and you're watching Prani Drawing Academy. So today I'm going to teach you how to make abstract landscape, and please watch this video till the end because I have to make a very important announcement. So without much talking, let's go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, hope you like my painting. I know you have been eagerly waiting for my announcement, especially my subscribers. So the announcement is that you may be noticing that I'm not uploading my videos regularly. The reason is that I'm having my exams right now and I'm not getting spare time to edit videos, upload videos or do painting, but I'm trying my best. So whenever I will get spare time, like this time I got some spare time and I uploaded my video. And that's all for this announcement. So hope you like my video. Give it a smash that like button and see you next time. Goodbye.